Hello everyone, I'm Askuro. Today, I'm going to show you how to download images and videos from Onlyfans. We'll go step by step, and I'll explain everything so simply that no matter how tech savvy you are, you'll be able to do it easily. If you're ready, let's start with videos. First, log into your Onlyfans account, find the video you want to download, open it and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click Inspect. This will open the browser's developer tools. Don't worry, it's super easy. Go to the Network tab at the top. In the search bar, type MP4 and start playing the video. After a moment, you'll see an MP4 file appear. Right-click on it and select Open in New tab. The video will open in a new tab. Click the three dots in the top right and hit Download. Boom, the video is yours. Now, let's move on to images. I'll show you two awesome ways to download images. Let's start with the first method. Go to the post with the image you want to download. Right-click on the image and select Inspect. When the developer tools open, scroll down in the Elements tab. You'll find the image's code, usually a line that says IMG SRC. Click on the URL in that line and the image will open in a new tab. Then, right-click on it and choose Save Image As to download it. Just a heads up. Sometimes the quality might be a bit low with this method. That's why I recommend trying the second method too. For the second method, go back to the post and right-click, then select Inspect. This time, head to the Sources tab in the Developer Tools. Look for the folder that contains the image. Usually you'll see a list of files or folders on the left. Find the image you want, click on it, and then right-click to select Save Image As. Download it to your device. This method is super straightforward and usually gives you high quality results, trust me. And that's it folks, now you can easily download videos and images from Onlyfans. I hope this guide helps you out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video, take care.